Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the hardware and drivers. Plug one monitor into the primary GPU port and the second into the next available port. Once done, make sure cables are fully seated and use a DisplayPort or HDMI for best results. Adapters only when necessary. You update the graphics driver now so Windows or Mac OS recognizes both screens reliably. This prevents detection errors later and ensures you can configure refresh rates and resolutions without. You continue by opening the system display settings and letting the OS detect both monitors. Once detected, drag the display icons to match their physical arrangement so your cursor moves naturally between screens. Make sure to designate the primary display where taskbars or dock appear. This matters for full-screen apps. Then set each monitor's resolution, scale, and refresh rate individually to the panel's native specs and click Apply. This avoids blurry text and mismatched frame pacing. You finish by validating the setup. Move several windows across both screens, play video, and confirm color and motion look correct. Once satisfied, lock in settings or save a profile if your GPU software supports it. If a monitor stays blank, make sure to reseat the cable, try a different port, or swap in a cable you know works. That quickly isolates faulty wiring. And if things still fail after a driver update, roll back or reinstall the driver. This single troubleshooting step solves most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.